Did you know that the average person spends over 12 days each year just looking for lost items in their home? Imagine if you could reclaim that time by creating a perfectly organized living space. In today's video, I'll show you how to transform your home into a clutter-free haven with simple, effective organization tips that anyone can follow. Let's get started and make 2024 your most organized year yet. Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of cluttered countertops, messy closets and overflowing drawers, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share my top home organization tips for 2024. These are the same strategies that professional organizers use to create stylish, functional spaces without spending a fortune. Whether you have a tiny apartment or a big house, these tips will help you get organized once and for all. Step 1. Declutter room by room. The first step to a perfectly organized home is decluttering, and the best way to do it is room by room. Start with the spaces you use the most, like the kitchen or living room. Go through each area systematically and ask yourself, do I use this? Does it serve a purpose? Does it bring me joy? If the answer is no, it's time to donate, sell, or toss it. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to do everything at once. Focus on one room at a time, and soon you'll see a major difference. Step 2. Invest in smart storage solutions. Once you've decluttered, it's time to invest in smart storage solutions that maximize your space. Think vertical. Use tall shelving units, over-the-door organizers, and wall-mounted hooks to make the most of every inch. Clear storage bins, labeled containers, and drawer dividers are your best friends for keeping things neat and easy to find. In 2024, transparent storage and multifunctional furniture are trending. So look for stylish pieces that double as storage to keep your space looking chic and organized. Step 3. Create a system for every room. By creating an organization system for each room is key to keeping your home clutter-free. In the kitchen, try using baskets or containers for pantry items, and invest in stackable organizers for cabinets. In the bedroom, organize your closet by category. Group similar items together like jeans, shirts, and dresses. For the bathroom, use clear containers for toiletries, and consider a shower caddy to keep everything accessible. Labeling is essential here. It makes it easy to put things back in their place and keeps everyone in the household on the same page. Step 4. Daily habits to maintain organization. Now that your home is organized, it's all about maintaining those results. Develop simple daily habits like spending just 10 minutes a day tidying up. Make your bed every morning, put things back where they belong, and do a quick declutter session every weekend. These small habits add up and prevent clutter from creeping back in. Remember, staying organized is a lifestyle, not just a one-time project. The more consistent you are, the easier it gets. Step 5. Stylish decor. That doubles as storage. Finally, let's talk about style. Just because your home is organized doesn't mean it has to look boring. In 2024, the trend is all about functional decor that's both stylish and practical. Consider decorative baskets, chic storage ottomans, and floating shelves that add personality to your space while keeping it clutter-free. Choose pieces that fit your aesthetic but also serve a purpose, like a stylish tray for coffee table essentials, or a sleek bookshelf for displaying and storing items. This way, your home will look beautiful and stay organized. And there you have it, your complete guide to organizing your home like a pro in 2024. From decluttering room by room to investing in smart storage and maintaining your space with simple habits, these tips will help you create a home you love. Remember, organization is about creating a space that works for you and your lifestyle. The results are well worth the effort. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more home, organization, and style tips. Share your favorite organization hacks in the comments below and let us know what room you're planning to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.